We're on this excavator. Nothing runs away like a deer or smells like a John. We got a busted bolt, which we got to extract. Probably the best case scenario, just sheared right off. And the thing is brand used, so ought not be too much. There's many options to get out a broken bolt, starting with the simplest and least invasive, ending with the most invasive and most time consuming. Of course, you start off just with a cold chisel or a center punch and tappy tap tap, try and work that busted fastener. Of course, you can die grind a slot in the end of it and try and turn it out with a screwdriver. We're gonna jump straight to the left-hand drill bits. I like to keep these around, what for messing with the apprentices. I got the opposite side twist, sinister-handed twist. So this is a typical drill bit, right hand. This is a left hand, which happens to coincide with backing the threaded fastener out. So if it bites, you're gonna drill the hole anyway, because next on the list is the extractors. You drill a hole and then you punch these in and then turn them out that way. And of course, there's the heat and beat with the torch. You use the power of differential expansion. You heat up the bolt, it expands, and you let it cool down, shrinkifies in the hole, and maybe backs out a little easier. If that don't work, we can always weld a nut, which allows you to put a wrench on it, and it also enjoys the embetterment of differential expansion as well. It doesn't fit. Kind of in a terrible spot. Not much purchase to be had. We'll try and just back it off. Ha! Oh, it started to move and then stopped. Oh, there we go. Pretty common modern day love story between a man and his gear. I got in there with my little tapper. I figured she was a goer, and she froze right up on me. We haven't even got into the heavy breathing, let alone, oh, wrong way, let alone the red hot curse words and rage. The drill is cutting good. It's just I got no purchase to really give some feed pressure on there. You see, it's just kind of idling along. Making powder chips. Left-handed drill bit's not going to work, I don't think. Yes. I think the problem, it just had a little hang-badang. So once we're past that, where the threads are buggered, we'll be fine. Been pounding on that cork stubber like a monkey at the zoo since I gotta get the electric glue out anyway. But for enacting the repair, we might as well get a nut while we're at it. No, not in there. Disconnect the battery. Put the ground as close as possible to the work. That way we won't fry the computer. I'll take the ground off. It's got less crap on there. You fucking piece of shit. Proof in the pudding's in the eating of the currents. Easiest way to get a broken bolt out of a hole is with the hot metal glue gun. Do not stare into the pretty blue light.